Grabe ganda ng mga sagot nila. My advice. I'm just 28 and you guys have experienced so many things as compared to me. But I feel like we all have our own struggles. You know, just kayo, dalawa-dalawa yung trabaho. Yung iba, tatlo pa, just like Joy and Marie. And kami, you know, we just see the surface of this, you know, all the glitz and glamour. But some people, or I think most of the people, they don't know what's happening to us when we're all alone. It's a hard job. But I guess if I could give any advice, it's to, like for me personally, the world has been my biggest classroom. And I feel like ang dami ko pang kailangan matutunan at matututunan. You know, my family or anyone who loves me cannot protect me all the time. So it's just important to that you know you should learn from it. Kasi hindi naman ibibigay kung hindi natin kakayanin. So whatever it is you're going through right now, alam ko hindi naman biro yung buhay niyo po dito. And we have so much respect sa lahat sa inyo. You know, kailangan niyo magpadala family in the Philippines, kailangan mag-provide dito, kailangan ipadala sa school, and all these things. And just like what he said, faith lang eh. Kasi during at our lowest, or during the darkest times sa buhay natin, sometimes hindi mo alam kung sino yung lalapitan, and you just have to pray and you'll see. You know, ang galing talaga kung paano lang siguro niya tayo kagaya as long as we have our faith. And I think it's just important that we surround ourselves with the right people.
Correct.
Sometimes it can be our fellow Filipinos, or sometimes pwede rin ibang lahi. But it's just important for me that you learn how to see the goodness in everybody. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao masama. And important siguro na bibigyan mo sila ng chance. And pag binigay mo yung trust na yun, nasa kanila na yun kung sisirain nila yun, or ikikip mo sila sa buhay mo. You just have to give them that chance. And ganun lang siguro ma-advise ko na yun. You know, ang dami pang mangyayari sa atin paglabas natin ng cinema, pabalik tayo sa own buhay natin. Ang dami pa natin haharapin back to reality. But just like Joy and Ethan, I hope that after watching this, lahat tayo uuwi to our tahanans, to our homes. And it's important. I don't know if it's a person, I don't know if it's US, LA, if it's in Canada. It can be a place, a person, or a dream. It depends on you. So siguro yun yung maganda sa movie kasi we all want you to answer that question. Who is your home and what is home for you? So kung ano man pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon, laban lang. Tuloy lang tayo laban. Kasi hindi naman ibibigay kung hindi natin kakayanin.
Oh my God, that's so good!
Let's give it up for the cast. So amazing. Let's thank them one more time. Thank you, Carney, Catherine, Alden, Valerie, Mark and Ruby, Marvin and Kevin. Thank you so much for being such an inspiration. You guys are my love and my life, and you're so talented.